when the weather gets cold, the sweat sets come up. Okay, my arms. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Brooke. I make lifestyle videos, vlogs, stuff like that, and I post a new video every single Sunday, so subscribe. The sun is so bright. I just got out of work and I'm at Target and I did a pickup order, but I did the drive up, so they're gonna come bring it out to my car and just load up my car. Like, isn't that so nice? Oh, there he is. Hi, thank you.
Yeah, what was it called?
It is, thank you. I got so much stuff. I actually did a pickup order on Monday and then didn't ever go get it. And then on Wednesday, I went and like got more stuff. So I technically have like 2 orders right now. I'm such a creep. Okay, my arms. Now to unpack it all. Are you gonna help or what? Before I show you my little Target haul, I need to change into something a little more comfy. I'm really lucky though, my work is really casual. Like I literally can just wear like a nice t-shirt and jeans and sneakers. It's so nice. Okay, sweat set. So much better. I love this sweat set. It's from White Fox. When the weather gets cold, the sweat sets come up. I'm gonna go throw in some laundry really quick and then we'll get to the haul. I swear to God, I have the worst luck with the laundry room in my building. First of all, it's like kind of scary. Like I just don't like it down there. And you have to use a rechargeable card. Like it's like this little ATM machine but for your laundry card, and it like has $10 of mine before, and then like the machine wasn't even working one time and now it won't take my 20. I have a $20 bill, it like won't read it, so I'm running to a gas station to get change. But so annoying for like no reason. It's just one of those small things that I'm like, no. I just have bad luck with that laundry room. Maybe it doesn't take 20s. It didn't say that anywhere on there though. I'd assume like 20 is the most that it would take, obviously. But I went to the gas station and got some change and the laundry's running. But now I have like 3 loads going and one of the loads is like 10 minutes behind. So anyways, let's do the Target haul. First, I have some snacks for me to bring to work. Like I'm just gonna leave them in my desk. Peanut butter crackers, and then I got these for the first time last time and they're so yummy. They're like little oatmeal bars. They just taste so good. You have to try them. I don't remember getting 4 things of mac and cheese, but I must have. I don't know why I got 4. I needed like bathroom shower cleaner and a little brush. I'm just gonna like keep these in my bathroom. Some garbage bags. I got some micellar water. I also got a little mini one, which will be nice. I can just like keep this and keep refilling it. I got some Tums. I've never gotten these ones. These are the ones that like whenever people have them, they're so yummy. They're like chewy berry buns. But I got some Tums. I also got a new razor. I've never used this one before, but I'm like constantly on the hunt for a good razor that I really like. And I've yet to fall in love with one, so I'll try this one out and let you guys know if it's any good. I also got these. Oh my gosh, I've been wanting to try these for so long now. They're the like pimple patches, but in like a pore strip version. Yeah, it's like the same. I was hoping I didn't just get like pore strips. Yeah, it's the same thing as a pimple patch, just for your entire nose. I needed some more BB cream. I literally think I've been wearing BB cream since I was in like 8th grade, maybe 7th grade. I don't know, like I remember when this first came out and like I swear I've been using it ever since. I just prefer it over foundation. And then I needed a new one of my girl, a new telescopic. I needed some more deodorant. You guys know the drill. I love my Ensure shakes. These are the Ensure Plus. They're just chocolate. It literally tastes just like really yummy chocolate milk. And it has 350 calories in it, 16 grams of protein. I drink one of those every morning. And then I got a bunch of candy because I want to make a little Halloween candy bowl. I know it's literally the week of Halloween, but nevertheless, I'm gonna make a candy bowl. And I'm so excited to try these. Starburst lollipops. I feel like they'll taste so good. Butterfinger Twix. I got some mini cups for like sauce when I bring lunch to work, and some paper plates because why not? What did you get from the store? I actually got more kitty litter and food for her, but I left it in the car because I didn't have any hands and she still has food and kitty litter, so I can just leave that in the car until I need it. Okay, I'm gonna make my little candy bowl. Starburst lollipops, Butterfinger Twix. Less than a week away from Halloween, but I know I'll be eating this every day. Dishwasher is running. I just got my laundry out of the dryer. Before I fold my laundry, I want to put up these two shelves that I got. I think I showed you guys in my last video. It's these two clear shelves that I got from Amazon that I'm gonna put in my bathroom. And I think I'm just gonna go put them on. I also like really need to put some Drano in my shower, so I think I'll do that as well. Let me grab the Drano. There's really nothing worse than a shower that doesn't drain, and mine is so bad. It's been like that since I moved in and just like progressively gotten worse with all my long hair, and I need to shower later, so this is a good time to do it while I'm still like doing things, so that I think I need to like wait and let it sit for a little bit. I love her. Guys, look. She like loves to drink out of the sink. She'll like cry until I turn it on. I definitely made that one a little bit crooked. I don't know why I wasn't trusting the level. Like, why was I questioning that? That's science. Like, me thinking I'm smarter than the level. Okay, I just put the Drano in too. I did it in my bathroom sink and my shower. So hopefully that works. I need to boil water and pour that down both of those drains before I shower in a little bit. So I'm gonna fold my laundry and try one of these Starburst lollipops. This is the pink one. There was literally one pink one. I kind of taste the pink Starburst, but regardless, it's really good. I'm gonna do some waxing right now. I'm not a face razor girly. I've done it in the past, like probably less than 5 times. I like it. It works great, but I just have this fear that it's gonna grow back really fast, or like all of a sudden it's gonna start growing back thicker, faster, and I just like, I can't take that risk. Like, it just, every time I do it, I'm like, therefore I wax. So I use, this is the brand, I'll link it. I have it on my Amazon storefront. I'll put a direct link to the like group that it's in on my Amazon storefront. I hate when people are like, go to my Amazon storefront. I get it for like TikTok, like it makes sense, but you know, I don't want to go through everything. I just want to link. So I'll link it to the direct group that it's in. This wax, same brand of like popsicle sticks, and I've also bought their little like silicone cup, which is nice because you can just reheat the old wax that's in here. Like, they say to do that, so I guess it's fine, and it's been working for me. So I just reheat whatever's left over in here from the last time, and then like I'll usually have to add a little bit more as I'm doing it, but I pretty much just wax like my upper lip and right here. I just get peach fuzz. I feel like it's probably not noticeable to anyone, but I just like it to be perfectly smooth, so I wax it, and it's really not bad. It doesn't hurt. It's really easy, and it's kind of fun with these little wax beads. I really like this brand. They have so many different like flavors or whatever, scents. I don't know what to call it. I just finished. I don't know if you can tell. It's really nothing, but it just looks so much like smoother. I'm gonna look like I have a red mustache right now because I get so red after I wax, but I just did my mustache. I don't like calling it a mustache. I just did my upper lip and I did this little area over here. I use this Maui Babe After Browning Lotion. It's actually I have like the brown tanning lotion of this if you've ever seen it. This is so nice after you go tanning, but it also just has like aloe and a bunch of really good stuff in it. So I use it as like a little cooling lotion and it works great. Okay, I just showered. I feel like I'm looking a little less red. I don't know if you can tell, but I just did a ton of skincare, like really went hard. Just like took my time. I like put all my skincare products like down to my chest, which I know is good. Honestly, the reason I don't do that is because I like don't want to go through my skincare products that fast. I don't know if it'd make like that big of a difference. I washed my hair and it feels so nice. I only wash my hair twice a week, so my hair wash days are the best days. I have such a mess in my closet right now. I just need to go through some things. Like I just have a bunch of clothes laying all around I need to hang up. I also have a bunch of clothes that I want to bring to Plato's Closet, so I just need to like organize those clothes because I'm only gonna bring in like the winter stuff. I'm gonna do that and I'm gonna watch Tell Me Lies.